Greetings, fellow trailblazing marketers. Welcome back to our digital haven, where we delve deep into the realms of online success. Today, brace yourselves for an illuminating journey as we unravel the enigmatic AZCode program. If you've ever pondered the art of earning online, you're in for a treat. I'm thrilled to be your guide through this exhilarating exploration. Let's initiate this voyage by deconstructing the very essence of the AZCode program. What exactly does this program entail? Amidst the buzz and speculation, the burning query remains: does the AZCode method hold the key to financial triumph? The AZCode program functions as a comprehensive blueprint, a compass navigating the intricate waters of affiliate marketing. This intricate mechanism is intricately designed to escort you through the labyrinthine path of crafting and refining your online enterprise. From cherry-picking the ideal products to steering traffic and sealing deals, the AZCode program pledges to furnish a holistic strategy. Brace yourselves for the riveting phase, our AZCode review. We've diligently scoured the digital landscape, unearthing testimonials and scrutinizing outcomes, all in a bid to furnish you with an unbiased evaluation. As we dive into this pool of insights, bear in mind that the pursuit of triumph is a personalized journey. The essence lies in discerning reality from illusion. While a number have triumphantly sung praises, it's imperative to fathom that individual milestones will differ significantly. The pivotal query echoes: is the AZCode system bona fide? Allow me to allay your concerns, for we've painstakingly done the groundwork on your behalf. The AZCode system is unequivocally genuine, an educational treasure trove. Yet, tread with sagacity, for claims of instant opulence warrant a cautious stance. Dear comrades in marketing, our moral responsibility entails plumbing the program's depths, assimilating its methodologies, and applying them industriously. Authenticity isn't bestowed upon us. It's constructed via diligence, dedication, and an unwavering ardor. Triumph is an amalgamation of tactical prowess, persistence, and adaptability. Having dissected the AZCode program, let's ascend to the pinnacle. Strategies to harness its maximal potential. Brace yourselves, for we're about to unveil advanced techniques destined to propel you into the stratosphere of success. Primordial amongst these is the mastery of targeted audience engagement. Indomitable marketing hinges on deciphering your audience's yearnings, ambitions, and predicaments. Custom tailor your approach to resonate at a profoundly personal level. Furthermore, embrace the potent allure of a multifaceted approach. Tap into the enchantment of SEO to amplify your digital footprint, forge connections, and wield your influence on diverse social media platforms, while harnessing the might of email marketing for seamless communication. As our odyssey nears its zenith, we stand on the precipice of discernment. The AZCode program stands as a vessel, a potential catalyst for your monetary journey. Let not illusion cloud your vision. This isn't an elixir of instant wealth, but a strategic beacon, complemented by your tenacity and sagacity. Unlock the financial success and learn how to make money with the AZCode program by clicking on the link below. My dear comrades, gratitude for accompanying me on this profound dissection of the AZCode program. If this odyssey has enriched your perspective, do remember to shower us with a sprinkle of appreciation. Like, subscribe, and activate that notification bell, ensuring you're never bereft of our latest insights. Until we rendezvous again, fortify your arsenal, steer your vessel, and surge forth towards your fiscal dreams.